In the fast-paced world of FPV drones, excitement is mounting around the rumored DJI Avata 3. Recent leaks and insider chatter suggest that this next-generation model could be a game-changer for both creative filmmakers and adrenaline-fueled pilots. If the speculations prove true, the Avata 3 will blend innovative design with enhanced performance, offering a versatile and robust tool for capturing breathtaking aerial footage. At its core, the new Avata is expected to showcase a refined design that builds on DJI's reputation for sleek, compact, and functional drones. Rumors indicate that DJI has focused on making the Avata 3 even sturdier while keeping it lightweight. A more durable frame could help pilots avoid the costly damage of a crash, ensuring that the drone endures the rigors of high-speed maneuvers and unpredictable outdoor conditions. An exciting upgrade involves the propeller guards. Redesigned to be more aerodynamic without sacrificing protection, they promise to boost overall efficiency and flight dynamics. Portability is another critical factor, and early reports hint that the Avata 3 might feature a foldable or more compact form. This design evolution would be ideal for those who travel frequently or need to carry their gear in tight spaces. Whether you're an adventure enthusiast trekking through remote landscapes or a professional on location, an easily transportable drone can make a significant difference in your workflow. Equally important is the anticipated leap in camera technology. The Avata 3 is rumored to sport a larger sensor, which would notably enhance image quality in low-light situations. This improvement could be a boon for capturing stunning sunsets or nighttime urban scenes. In addition, an adjustable camera angle might be introduced, offering pilots greater flexibility in framing their shots. With potential upgrades like enhanced color grading, HDR support, and high frame rate options for smooth, slow-motion captures, the new model promises to elevate the creative possibilities available to drone cinematographers. Flight performance is set to receive a significant boost as well. DJI appears to be working on a more efficient propulsion system that could offer higher speeds, improved stability, and extended flight times, possibly pushing beyond the current 25-minute mark to around 30 minutes or more. Enhanced wind resistance is also on the cards, which would enable the drone to maintain steady flight even under challenging weather conditions. Moreover, advanced obstacle avoidance features, such as a full 360-degree detection system, are expected to make flying safer for both beginners and experienced pilots navigating complex environments. Control and user experience are also likely to see notable enhancements. The next iteration of DJI's motion controller might provide more responsive commands and smoother hand tracking, with some speculation pointing toward the inclusion of gesture-based controls. For traditionalists, an upgraded FPV remote with customizable buttons and lower latency could make prolonged flight sessions more comfortable and intuitive. Complementing these controls, the latest version of DJI goggles is anticipated to offer a wider field of view and higher resolution, deepening the immersive feel of FPV flying. Safety remains a top priority. Enhanced obstacle detection, improved return-to-home functionality, and AI-assisted flight modes could work together to reduce the risk of accidents. With these comprehensive improvements, the DJI Avata 3 is positioned not only as an advanced piece of technology, but also as a reliable companion for pilots of all skill levels. Expected to launch between late 2024 and early 2025, the DJI Avata 3 may come with a price tag in the range of $700 to $900. Complete bundles that include accessories like goggles and upgraded remotes might push the cost above $1,200. For current Avata users, the decision to upgrade will depend on whether these enhancements are worth the investment. In any case, the DJI Avata 3 is already stirring considerable excitement and promises to be a pivotal development in FPV drone technology.